Little Crazy Hospital. Hi! We have a lot of work to do. Vampire Justin has bad breath. Let's help him. Ew! Get rid of that bad smell. Let's clean his teeth. First, apply some toothpaste. Now, brush the teeth, please. Add a check mark, please. We still have work to do. Oh no, he has germs in his mouth. Let's get rid of them. Great, they are all gone. Okay, this job is done. We still have work to do. Ew! Let's clean his tongue. Let's polish it. Add a check mark, please. We still have work. Justin has cavities. Let's help him. Fix it using a laser. Awesome! His teeth are fixed. Okay, this job is done. We still have work to do. Justin has one bad tooth. Pull it out. And put a new one in. Add a check mark, please. Great! We are almost done. He can chew again. Pop it. Yay! Super! Thank you for your help. Justin has one bad tooth. We have a lot of work to do. Superhero Kevin has back pain. Let's help him. Oh! Take off his costume, please. First, we must apply shaving cream. Now, shave it. Add a check mark, please. We still have work. Kevin has a rash. Can you help him? Put a cat on his back. Wait for a few minutes. She healed it. Yay! Great! The rash is gone. Okay, this job is done. We still have work to do. Kevin is feeling pain. Can you help him? Use the X-ray. Turn it on. Can you fix it? Great! Click on it. Good job. He feels better. Add a check mark, please. We still have work. Spa time! Can you heat the stone? Apply them. Awesome! His back is healthy. Add a check mark, please. Good job! Superhero Kevin can fly again. Spa time! We have a lot of work to do. The witch cursed Princess Katie. Let's help her. Let's take care of her eyebrows. First, apply the wax. Pull it off. Add a check mark, please. We still have work to do. We need to get rid of those warts. Apply some magical cream. Okay, this job is done. We still have work to do. Her nose looks funny. Can we help her? Drag it to the right place. Turn it on. Can you fix it? Great! Add a check mark, please. We still have work to do. Ew! Let's get rid of that hair. Apply shaving cream. Will you shave it? Okay, this job is done. We still have work to do. Princess hates that green color. Help her, please. Give her some magical elixir. Add a Add a check mark, please. Great! We are almost done. Sprinkle the magic dust. Good job! Princess Katie is beautiful again. Princess hates that green color. Help her, please. We have a lot of work to do. Choose the prettiest unicorn for me. Perfect! Nice! Super! We have a lot of work to do. Alien Andy has red eyes. Let's help him. First, remove the eye discharge. Wipe it out. Okay, this job is done. We still have work to do. Let's treat his red eyes. Just a few drops. Add a check mark, please. Still have work to... Oh no, he has eye boogers. Catch the booger. Send him away. Great, you are awesome. Okay, this job is done. We still have work to do. Let's check Andy's vision. How many boogers do you see? 2. And now? 3. It's getting harder. 4. Let's do more. 5. Add a check mark, please. Great! We are almost done. Let's protect his eyes. Good job! Andy is ready to go back to his planet.